In addition to head plugin, we also need a plugin called Marvel, and this plugin is used to monitor Elasticsearch cluster. And it is also very easy to install, same way as we did for Hive plugin. So open your terminal and just type, go to home directory and type bin plugin -I for install Elasticsearch /marvel/latest. So this will install latest version of Elasticsearch under plugin directory. And once we have that, you will see a new directory created called Marvel. Okay. And once you have it there running, it means you have installed it and we are good with Marvel installation.